from the top. Hey, it's Yua here for your 10-minute cardio hip-hop dance class. It's only 10 minutes long and we get started right now. So you're gonna give me a chest pop as you bring out your right leg, pop, and then drive that car, and then pop again and say no, no, no. That's your first 4 counts. We go 1, 2, drive, 3, and 4. Let's go again. Pop and drive, pop, say no. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop and drive, pop, say no. Yes. So each time you want to lean back just a little bit. Again, we go pop and drive, pop, say no. Now you're going to take it up single, single, double, double. Come at me from here. We go single, single, double, double. You're leading with your knees again. We go single, single, double, double. Just those 4 counts at tempo. 5, 6, 2, you're right. Go single, single, double. 5, 6, again. We go. 1, 2, boom, boom. Single, single, double. One last time. Bop, bop, bop from the top. 6, 7, chest pop. 1, 2, drive that car. Say no, take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drive it, pop, and drive. Pop, say no, take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg comes kick out in front. 5, 6. Step out with your right and show me your booty on 8. So you're going 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, kick out, 6, step forward, and show me your booty. Just those 4 counts. 5, 6, step it out. Step, back, forward, booty. 5, 6, again. Boom, boom, tap, tap. 1 last time. Step it out. 5, 6, 7, 8 from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Drive that car. Say no. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and forward booty. Again. 5, 6. Pop and 1, 2. Boom. Say no. Single. Double. Step it out. 5, 6, 7 from here. Drop it down. 2. Fly it back. Fly it back. Again. You drop it. 1, 2. Fly it back. Hands can be anywhere. Arms can be anywhere. Just give me that knee in, knee in. From the single, single, double. Boom, boom. From the single, double, walk. Drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. From the top. 5, 6. Step it out right here. Pop and drive. Pop. Say no. Single, single. Step it. Booty. Drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top again. Hit and drive. Hit. Say no, single, boom, boom, double, step, booty, drop it down from here, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna put on a hat, 5, 6. You're stepping back with your right leg, 5, 6, and lean back, 5, 6. Now scoop, 7, matador on 8. Scoop and show me the side of your hip. You're dropping down, 1, 2. Fly it back. 3, 4. Put on a hat. 5, 6. Scoop. 7. Matador. When you come back to matador, it's a strong stance. Boom. Hit that 8. Dropping it down. 1, 2. Fly. fly. Put on that hat. Scoop. 7, 8. From here, you're gonna step. 1. Punch out with your left arm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your hips are going right and right. Emphasis on the right side. You're here on Matador. Ha! Step, punch, in, right, and right. 7 and 8. And you're hitting the ceiling with just your palms of your hands. Yes. From the Matador. 7, 8. Step out. Punch, 2, 3, and 4. Just those 4 counts at tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now push that hip back. 5, 6. You're pushing left to right. 5. As your arms and your hands come up, your body. 5, 6. Now make it rain. 7, 8. As you pony on your right leg. You're pushing back. 5, 6, 7, 8. From Matador. 7, 8. Step out. 2. Push. 3 and 4. Come up. 5, 6. Make it rain. Make it rain. Ooh, I like it with the sun in my face. Just that 8 count at tempo. 5, 6, scoop and up. Go. 1, 2, push and back. Make it rain. Ha! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Take it up. 1, 2, push it and back. Make it rain. Ha! From the top. Just once. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest pop. Drive. Chest pop. Say no. Dig it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop it. Fly it back. Ha. Scoop. Forward. 1, 2. Push and back. And up. Make it rain. Yes. One more 8 count to go. You push back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna pretend you have suspenders. You're gonna take it back with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have a shirt, grab onto it. If you don't, just pretend. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna punch out left and a punch right, cross, and 8. When you do the 8, you click your heels together, like Dorothy. So you finish with push back, rain, rain, rain. Suspenders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch out. Punch, boom, cross, toe click. From the single, single, double. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Take it up. Hit, hit. Walk it. Hip. Take it down. Fly it. Ha. Scoop. Matador. Step out. Boom. Push. Boom. Make it rain. Suspenders. 1, 2. Punch it. Left, right, cross, and up. Yes. That's the end of your dance. Shall we put it all together? We shall. 5, 6. From the chest, pop. Here we go. Hit. Drive. Say no. Single, double. And step. Booty. Take it down. Fly it. Hat. Scoop it. Forward. Boom. Tap. Push. And up. Make it rain. And suspenders. Suspenders. Hit. Hit. Cross and ha. Yes. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop. And drive. Pop. Say no. Take it up. Single. Ha. Step. Drop it down. Hit. Ha. Up. Push. And up. Rain. Suspenders. Punch it out. Hit. Hit. Boom. Ha. Ha. One last time. I'm moving the mic to the music. 5, 6, 5, 6. From the top. And that's it, y'all. That's your 10-minute cardio hip hop routine. Come back for more 10-minute dance tutorials. I'm Yue. See ya.